In 1932, Australia went to war with birds. Australia lost. After World War I, Australian veterans were given farmland, but 20,000 emus invaded, destroying crops. Farmers demanded military intervention. The government sent soldiers with machine guns against birds. The emus were too fast, too spread out, and surprisingly tactical. They split into small groups. Soldiers fired thousands of rounds. Kill count? About 50 emus. The emus adapted faster than the military. After weeks, the military gave up, officially withdrew. Australia lost a war to flightless birds. It's called the Great Emu War, and it's taught in Australian schools as a legitimate military failure.